If you work in IT, you've probably already tried to fix this. You've got RDCMan holding your remote connections, a pile of PuTTY shortcuts for SSH sessions, and a KeyPass database, or let's be honest, a spreadsheet for all of your passwords. And it still falls apart. Because the problem is not how organized you are, it's that your connections, credentials, protocols, and tools, they all live in different places. Today, I'm gonna walk you through one tool that pulls all of it into one. And whether you're doing this on your own or you've got a whole team to think about, it works the same way. Free for solo users with packages when you're ready to scale. So this is Devolutions RDM. The first thing it asks when you open it is where you want your data to live. And that's what we call your workspace. It could be a local file right on this machine, a self-hosted Devolutions server, or a Devolutions Cloud. I went with Cloud here, since it's quick to set up and available anywhere I go. Now let me show you my actual morning with a cup of coffee in hand. I'll start by launching my playlist. Watch, the VPN comes up first, and then every connection I need just launches behind it. Here you'll see an RDP to access my Windows server, SSH to a Linux box, a web console for my iDRAC, and a SQL database. And yes, you saw that right. I didn't even need to install SSMS. Normally that's 4 different tools, 4 separate logins, and a VPN client you've got to remember to fire up first. Here, it's just one action, so I can get to the real work. And the thumbnail view is practical, so I can see all my sessions in one single pane of glass. So watch what I didn't do there. I never typed a single credential. It's because each entry has one link to it, so RDM just authenticates it for me. And here's the real win underneath that. I store a credential once, and then I reference it everywhere it's used. So when a password changes, I just update it in that one spot, and every entry pointing to it keeps right on working. Now, RDM is not just about remote sessions and passwords. There's a whole toolbox built right in. So you've got a network scanner, system inventory, certificate and key generators, PowerShell, password generators, a terminal, even an AI assistant if you want. Things you'd normally open a separate app for. It's the tools you use daily right at your fingertips. You might be wondering, sure, but does it work with my setup? Well, just look at everything it connects to. It starts with your sessions, so your remote support tools like AnyDesk, your server boards like iDRAC and ILO. Then there's remote management, so you're managing Hyper-V or SQL Server right from here. Your credentials, whatever VPN you're running, even your asset lists, printers, switches, and licenses. There's macros and scripts to automate the repetitive work, and it'll even sync with tools you already have. A lot of this is what you've already got in other windows right now. RDM just pulls it all together in one place. Everything you just watched is free for solo users, no strings attached. If that's you, go grab RDM from the Download Center right now. The link's right there. But before you go, curious what happens the day you're not working alone anymore? If you're on a team or headed that way, you've got everything I just showed you and then some. All you do is license each person for what they need. Start a trial, pick a package, or drop in a key you already have. Now let's switch over to a licensed team workspace, but this time self-hosted using Devolutions Server. Whether you're an internal IT department or an MSP running dozens of clients, the moment more than one person shares access, the question becomes who can do what. So let's say I want to give my new user Kelly access to launch sessions in the Windjammer IT Vault. She's already part of the service desk group in my Active Directory, so all I have to do is add the user group to my Vault settings. After she's been added, she'll have the predefined granular access I set up earlier, scoped right down to the entry level. It's the kind of robust, role-based access control you want in a shared environment. Now when Kelly logs in, sporting the dark theme I might add, she can only get to the things she was assigned. But watch what happens when she tries to launch a session to a more critical endpoint. She's given the option to request temporary access from an admin to execute the entries so she can perform the work she needs to. Over on my side, as the admin, I see the request come in, read it, and with a few clicks, approve it so she can get to work quickly. And back on Kelly's end, she now can launch it and get to work. Because this RDP session is passing through the Devolutions Gateway, the traffic is secured, logged, and even recorded. So if something ever comes up and needs to be verified, you can trace it and play it right back. And this same workflow works great for anyone outside your core team. Say you bring in a contractor for some maintenance or a vendor who needs into one server for an afternoon. You give them exactly what they need, with every session being recorded. So you always got an answer to what did they actually touch. And then there are those few privileged credentials you really don't want anyone using on their own. Your domain admin, the root account, the production database. So for those, Devolutions PAM puts an approval right in front of the credential. Someone requests it, an approver signs off, and they get it for a set window. Our user can access the privileged account to get her work done, and when she checks it back in, the password rotates automatically, and the whole session is logged. No spreadsheets, no shared admin passwords, no enterprise project to roll it out. The right person gets the right access at the right time. So here's where you land in all of this. If you're flying solo, RDM puts every connection, every credential in one place, and it's 100% free. And when you bring people in, you just license each person for what they actually need, whether that's shared passwords, remote sessions and connections, or full privilege access management. So here's what I do. Head to the Download Center, grab RDM, and set it up today. It's free and it's waiting for you.